Article 415 of and 416 of the new Civil Code. Article 415. The following are immovable properties. Number 1, lands, buildings, roads, constructions of all kinds adhere to the soil. Number 2, trees, plants, growing crops while they are still attached to the land or have been made an integral part thereof. uh, Paragraph 3. Everything that is attached to an immovable in such a manner that by separating them would break the material or deteriorate the object. For number 4, statues, reliefs, paintings, and other objects for ornamentation or use placed in a building or on a piece of land by the owner of such immovable in a manner which shows the intention of the owner to make them part of the tenement or a permanent part thereof. Number 5, machineries, receptacles, instruments or implements intended by the owner of the tenement of an industry or work which may be carried on in a building or on a piece of land which tends directly to the needs of such industry or work. Number 6, animal houses, pigeon houses, beehives, fish ponds or breeding places and of similar nature, provided they have been placed or the owner has placed or preserves them with the intention of making them a permanent part of the land with detention. And also the animals are also included. Number 7, fertilizer actually used on a piece of land. Number 8, mines, quarries, slag dumps, while the matter thereof forms part of the waters and bed, either running or stagnant. Number 9, docks and or structures which, though are floating, they are by their nature an object intended to be placed in a they are intended to be placed in a fixed manner on a river, lake, or coast. Lastly, contracts for public service and servitudes or other real rights over immovable property. Now we go to Article 416. The 416, the following are movable property. Number 1, movables which are capable of appropriation, which are not included in the preceding article. Number 2, real property which by any special provision of law are deemed to be personality. Number three, forces of nature which are brought down under control by science. And number four, everything, in general, all things which are which can be transferred from place to place, uh, which can be transferred from place to place without damaging the uh, the immovable to which they are attached to.